Do you know that some of those days when nothing really goes wrong, you're waking up fine, but one comment, one message, one small thing, and suddenly it's like your peace is totally gone. But when you are inside worried, resentful, drained, that fragrance turns I would say it's the simplest, most powerful vibration practice that I've ever used in my life. So in the next few minutes, you'll walk away with a completely different energy than you came in with, right? This one video will raise your energy frequency, that too instantly. And if you practice this, what I'm about to show you for just 10 minutes in a day, mind blowing. Your mood, your relationships, your luck, even your money will start flowing into your life. Everything will start shifting. Even if you've been taken for granted for years, this one practice will help you to feel seen without really begging for any validation. Even if your career feels stuck, this one practice is going to help you to attract abundant opportunities without chasing them. Even if you've lost your spark, this one practice is going to help you feel alive once again without really running away from any of your responsibilities. Because when your frequency rises, my dear, life cannot stay the same. It just cannot. So what I'm about to teach you is called the technique, which is one of my favorites, Rampage of Appreciation. It's the simplest, most powerful vibration practice that I've ever used in my life. So in the next few minutes, you'll walk away with a completely different energy than you came in with, right? So my dear, do you know that some of those days when nothing really goes wrong, but then something still feels off? It's like you're waking up fine, but one comment, one message, one small thing, and suddenly it's like your peace is totally gone, right? This 10 minutes practice that I'm going to be teaching you will protect your energy totally. Even when the world around you, I would say, it is messy, right? And if you do it the way I'm showing it to you today, you will never again depend on any other person's mood to feel good, right? For years, I used to think that once my husband appreciates me, once my work starts to getting recognition, once I earn a little bit more, then I'll finally be happy. Right? But life doesn't work like that. Let me tell you that. Appreciation isn't something that you get. It's something that you generate. And when you learn how to generate it deliberately, your frequency becomes so powerful that life itself starts to appreciate, right? And everybody starts appreciating you back. That's the secret that no one teaches. When you appreciate, you're just not being positive. You're tuning your vibration into the receiving mode. And receiving what? More of appreciation, more of love, ease, peace, money, recognition. Everything is trying to find you now. And by the way, stay with me till the end. You know why? Because I'll also tell you the top 5 mistakes to avoid while doing this practice so that energy doesn't slip away. You know, some of you are practicing it again and again and again, maybe, but then there's some mistakes which needs to be avoided. So tell me honestly in the comments, how many times has your entire mood depended on someone else, or how people behave with you, the way they treated you, maybe judged you, maybe demeaned you, labeled you, any of it for that matter? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, be honest, yes or no, right? I understand all of this, and we are about to change all of this completely. My dear, your energy is like your body's natural fragrance. When you are at peace, it's soft, it's magnetic, it's comforting. People and opportunities are drawn towards you. But when you are inside worried, resentful, drained, that fragrance turns I would say it gets lost, right? And appreciation is how you can restore your original fragrance, your original scent, the one that attracts everything that is meant for you. It's the fastest way to move your vibration from just being fine to becoming magnetic. So now, let's do this. Wherever you are right now, maybe sitting at your desk, cooking and watching this video, walking, even waiting for your child's bus or something, let's do this together right now. I want you to take a deep breath. So breathe, inhale and exhale slowly. And just look around you. Turn around, just look. And what is the first thing? Anything that pleases you, right? Maybe it can be a cup of coffee beside you. Maybe it's, maybe somebody you're looking at who's laughing. Maybe it's the mobile in your hand in front of you. Whatever it is, maybe it's the tree, nature, whatever it is, just focus on it, right? Just focus on it and think, I love that this coffee smells so comforting. I love that this moment feels calm. I love that I have a mobile phone, whatever it is. Just I want you to start saying that I love this, right? And I want you to smile. And can you feel that tiny smile rising on your face as you're saying it? So say it with me, okay? So come on, say it with me and smile a little more. And I can literally feel your energy even shifting actually the smile is landing to me. I feel that way, right? And I love your smile. Okay, so now what you'll do is look at another thing. One thing to the other thing, maybe your bangle, maybe your plants, maybe the clock in your room, maybe your even pen, or maybe, your own hands, your own hair, or whatever it is, and just whisper softly one more time. I love you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you for being there in my life. Thank you so much, right? And here's the magic behind it. You're not trying to fix everything over here. Remember that. You're not trying to fix anything. You're just reminding your energy what it is like to feel good with all of the things that are outside of you, right? Which you can see, hear, feel. Because when your body remembers that feeling, it starts to return naturally into your own essence, that too effortlessly. So that's how your emotional set point rises, my dear, not by force, but only through practice. So, my dear, understand this. When you appreciate things, you're opening the gate to letting what's already waiting for you to come in, right? You're saying, I'm ready. I'm ready to see the good. I'm ready for miracles, because I am a miracle. And the universe is saying that time, Tathastu to you. So if this tiny 2-minute shift already made you feel lighter, imagine what happens when you live like this every single day and you do it for full 10 minutes. 10 minutes by the clock. Just go on appreciating things. And sometimes just add in, how is it serving you? Right? How is it adding value to you? Right? And you'll see your life transform, my dear. And if you're feeling that transformation already, my dear, then just pause, take a second, breathe, and hit the subscribe button. Because I'm soon sharing many more amazing and easy to practice techniques that will raise your frequency like never before, that too instantly. My dear, appreciation doesn't mean ignoring your problems. It just means saying that, you're just saying to yourself, I choose to anchor myself in the vibration of the universe, right? That attracts the life that I love, not the one which I'm tired of, right? It's not about running away from any pain. It's about moving towards what's patiently waiting for you beyond the noise. And here's the truth. You cannot be defensive and appreciate at the same time. No. You cannot be anxious and appreciate at the same time. You cannot feel small and appreciate at the same time. It's not going to happen. Appreciation is the bridge between your human self and your higher self. Remember that. And when someone around you is grumpy, unkind, distant, you don't absorb it anymore once you start that appreciation technique. You'll see the shift. You'll simply shift into your uniqueness, right? And you'll start saying this to yourself that I'm appreciating my calm. Eventually, you'll reach that state. I appreciate my peace. And that is called the energy mastery. All right? And now, before we end this ritual, this video, I would say, as promised, I want you to know the top 5 mistakes to avoid in this practice. Because if you do this, it's not going to work for you, right? So number 1, don't try forcing appreciation when you don't feel like it, right? Start small and grow for it. So don't appreciate for something which is not working for you, all right? Appreciate the things that is bringing you joy in your life, right? Second, don't do it to get results. Do it just to feel connected with your real essence, your real self, all right? Number 3, do not mix it with guilt. Appreciation and guilt cannot live together, right? So appreciate everything that you have in your life and don't be guilty of having all of that, right? Definitely do not compare your progress with anyone else. Step number 4, my dear, your vibration is unique. No one else matters, right? You are you. So make sure that you're not comparing. And number 5, quitting too soon is an easy way out, right? Which average people do, any which ways. But your energy reprograms through repetition, not perfection, my dear. So do not quit. Practice this for a minimum of 21 days. All right? So avoid these and your frequency will stay stable no matter what happens outside. And now, let's end this together with a very powerful declaration, I would say. All right? So hands on your heart, just close your eyes and say this with me out loud. Right? And not from your head, but from your heart. Say it. I am an energy queen. Say it. I am an energy queen. Today, I choose to look for what's working for me. Yes, I choose to appreciate what's already there in my life. Yes, I am in tune with my source, with my creator. Yes, my creator, I am in appreciation and only appreciation flows through me. Remember one thing, whatever you appreciate will appreciate in your life. Yes, and just say it one more time. I am an energy queen. I am an energy queen. Super duper amazing. Thank you so much for doing this with me. Right? And now as you go through your day, just notice 5 things to appreciate before every meal and 15 things before you sleep. Do that. Right? Focus on appreciation, because whatever you focus on will appreciate. Remember that. Right? Do this for at least 21 days and watch how your life starts whispering thank you to you back. And my dear, if this practice spoke to your heart and you're ready to stop depending on others for your happiness, I want you to join my Energy Queens Masterclass, because there we go deeper into how your energy frequency becomes your success currency. Yes, my dear, your energy frequency is your success currency. So the link is below. It's not about anyone. It's not about people, it's about you, and you are important. And remember, it's not for everyone. It's for only those women who are not ready to settle for less anymore, and they truly deserve now to live their lives like a queen, a true queen, right? And that's why I've created this for you. I'm going to be seeing you inside. Neti mein Rakhi, my dear.